Ever wondered, if you're holding your crypto in a hot wallet, are you essentially living in a digital glass house? Or is the fortress of a cold wallet truly impenetrable? We're diving deep today into a question that keeps every crypto enthusiast up at night: Newton versus cold wallets. What's safer? For a long time, the crypto world has been split into two camps when it comes to storage: the convenient and the secure. On one side, you have hot wallets, often synonymous with exchanges like Newton. They offer unparalleled ease of access, quick trades, and a user experience that's as smooth as butter. On the other, you have cold wallets, those seemingly clunky devices or paper printouts that scream old school, but promise a level of security that feels almost legendary. But is it really that black and white? Is convenience always a compromise on security? And is ultimate security always an inconvenient hassle? Today, we're going to dissect both options, explore their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately help you decide which storage solution is the right fit for your crypto journey. We'll be looking beyond the headlines and delving into the nitty-gritty of how each system protects your valuable digital assets. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of the risks and benefits associated with each, allowing you to make an informed decision about where your hard-earned crypto truly belongs. Let's start with hot wallets, and for the sake of this discussion, we'll use Newton as our prime example. Newton is a popular Canadian cryptocurrency exchange, and like many exchanges, it operates primarily as a hot wallet service. This means your cryptocurrencies are stored online, constantly connected to the internet. The biggest advantage of a hot wallet like Newton is, without a doubt, convenience. Imagine this: you see a sudden dip in the market, an opportunity to buy low. With your crypto on Newton, you can execute that trade in seconds. No fumbling for a physical device, no entering long passphrase, no waiting for a blockchain confirmation from an offline wallet. It's instantaneous. This agility is a huge draw for active traders, those who want to capitalize on market volatility and move their funds quickly. Furthermore, Newton offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate the world of crypto. You can deposit fiat, convert it to crypto, and even withdraw it back to your bank account with relative ease. The customer support is usually readily available, and the platform often includes features like recurring buys, price alerts, and even staking opportunities for certain assets, all within the same convenient ecosystem. Think of it like online banking for your crypto. Everything is at your fingertips, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. However, this very convenience is also the source of its primary vulnerability, being constantly online. The internet, for all its wonders, is also a breeding ground for cyber threats. Hot wallets, by their very nature, are targets for hackers. Think about it: a centralized exchange like Newton holds a massive amount of cryptocurrency belonging to thousands, if not millions, of users. This makes them incredibly attractive targets for malicious actors. Here's how the risks typically manifest. First, exchange hacks. We've seen numerous high-profile exchange hacks over the years, where millions, and sometimes billions, of dollars worth of crypto have been stolen. While exchanges like Newton invest heavily in security infrastructure, firewalls, intrusion detection systems, multi-factor authentication, they are not entirely immune. A sophisticated attack can still breach their defenses, leading to significant losses for users. While many reputable exchanges do have insurance funds to cover such losses, relying solely on that can be a risky proposition. Second, phishing attacks. This is where hackers try to trick you into revealing your login credentials. They might send you fake emails that look like they're from Newton, prompting you to click on a malicious link and enter your username and password on a counterfeit website. Once they have your credentials, they can drain your account. Third, malware and viruses on your own device. If your computer or phone is compromised with keylogging software or other malware, a hacker could potentially intercept your login details as you type them, gaining unauthorized access to your Newton account. Fourth, SIM swap attacks. This is a more advanced attack where a hacker convinces your mobile carrier to transfer your phone number to a new SIM card they control. If your Newton account has two-factor authentication tied to your phone number, the hacker can then receive the authentication codes and bypass your security measures. It's crucial to remember that with a hot wallet on an exchange, you don't truly control your private keys. The exchange does. This is a fundamental concept in crypto: not your keys, not your crypto. While Newton is a reputable exchange and they certainly have robust security measures in place, you are essentially trusting a third party with your assets. If Newton were to experience a catastrophic failure, or if its security were to be completely compromised, your funds could be at risk. This is the inherent trade-off of convenience. You delegate a significant portion of the security responsibility to the exchange. Now, let's pivot to the other side of the spectrum: cold wallets. These are designed to keep your private keys offline, completely disconnected from the internet, making them significantly more resistant to online attacks. There are primarily two types of cold wallets: hardware wallets and paper wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices, often resembling a USB stick, specifically designed to store your private keys securely offline. Popular examples include Ledger and Trezor. When you want to make a transaction, you connect the hardware wallet to your computer or phone, enter your PIN on the device itself, and confirm the transaction on the device screen. The private key never leaves the hardware wallet, even during a transaction. The transaction is signed internally by the device, and only the signed transaction is broadcast to the blockchain. This means even if your computer is riddled with malware, your private keys remain safe on the hardware wallet. The security benefits of hardware wallets are immense. Immunity to online hacks. Since your private keys are never exposed to the internet, they are virtually immune to remote hacking attempts. Protection against phishing. Even if you fall for a phishing scam and enter your login details on a fake website, your hardware wallet would still require physical confirmation of any transaction, making it impossible for a hacker to move your funds without physical access to your device and your PIN. Malware resistance. As mentioned, your private keys are isolated from your potentially compromised computer, offering a robust defense against malware. Seed phrase recovery. Hardware wallets provide you with a unique seed phrase, a series of words, during setup. This seed phrase is the ultimate backup. If your hardware wallet is lost, stolen, or damaged, you can use this seed phrase to recover your funds on a new hardware wallet, or even a compatible software wallet. This gives you complete control over your assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.